We've got this really old Minolta Dynex strap for the camera, and as you can see, it's made in Japan. Looks really nice, but it's very dirty. So we're going to give it a nice wash and see how this goes. Recently we washed a Nikon bag and brought it back to its original glory. Minolta Dynex strap. Let's go for it. Pretty simple. Get some nice hot water. Next we're going to add some soap water, which is used just to wash our clothes. A little bit of it, not too much. Mix that. And step number 3, dip the entire strap into the water. I'm just hoping that the heat of the water is going to clean the strap and remove all the grime, but I'm just hoping this nice Dynex branding that we have on it doesn't melt away. But some risks are totally worth it, and we will know soon. This leather portion seems fine. I don't see any problems with that. I'm a little concerned about this though, but I'll make sure I don't rub it, and let's allow this to soak in there for a bit. Let it soak in, and after a while I'm sure even the temperature of this water will go down, and that shouldn't really affect this print. So until then, it's soak time.
A few moments later.
Around 20 minutes to half an hour into the soak, we come back here. The water is much cooler now, not as hot as it was when I dipped it in. We give it a little bit of a scrub, especially on the area where we have the branding, and I hope the rest of it has also had a good wash. But yeah, a bit of a soak, probably for another hour, would definitely make things much better.
A few moments later.
It doesn't look like it was very dirty, but as you can see, it's definitely holding the color. Nothing seems to be going off. It's just getting clean, and once it's dry, I'm sure it'll be brighter and it'll stand out. The Minolta Dynex branding looks nice as of now. Nice sober branding compared to Nikon, which is a bright yellow, or Canon, which is a bright white against black. I don't plan to repaint this because it looks really nice in this grey. So let's hold it in the warm water for a bit. After some time we plan to move the entire strap, and we add one more strap to it because the cleaning plans have just expanded. Now we've got another EOS digital strap which has gone into it, and we've got another bag that will go into this soap water too. So it's just that we're cleaning more stuff on the same day. Let's see how this goes. Just washing every bit of it well, even the leather portions. While we'll take only these two straps which were put in there much earlier and put it into this very clear water to rinse it and take the extra. Looks like the Dynex has stayed back. It's not been too bad. We'll only know when it dries up. That's going to go into the dryer. Meanwhile, we'll take this water, put it into this. Because now this bag go into So it's drying, but it's taking a while, so we thought why not use a steamer. So this is taking it a little too far. There's a risk of me burning this because I'm not sure if this is fabric, but still I think the non-printed side should be okay. We're not going to take a risk with this, but a quick one should be okay. And now this should dry faster. This is definitely plastic and we're not going to take a risk with it. I think it looks pretty new. Finally, the best way to dry it, sun drying it as always. The last step. Almost dried now. Almost dried now. Let's take it and see how it looks. Definitely looks nicer than it was when we started. We had a pretty dirty strap, but I think a bit of the print on this portion is gone. I don't plan to match color and paint it again or anything, because originality is what matters to me. But it's definitely a nice little strap. Let's decide what camera I plan to use it on pretty soon, but I think this came mint with every single accessory, including this tag which holds the straps together, that and the adjustment bit which has got the Minolta branding on both sides. So always a pleasure to be working on branded original items. Thanks guys, and if you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe for more such similar everyday content which is relatable. I hope you enjoy seeing these things. Thank you and goodbye.